So in this video, we'll show how you can create dynamic drop-down boxes in a UX component. So you can see here we have a simple UX that uses a standard drop-down. So the drop-down box here is currently populated with the list of cities in the Northwind customer table. And this list is populated at the time the UX component is rendered. But let's say we'd like to make this drop-down box dynamic and filter it based on whatever country the user has entered into this country control. So to do that, we go back to the choices for the drop-down and we specify that this drop-down has a dynamic filter, and that the dynamic filter is filter on the country field, and the filter value is whatever is in the country control. So let's go now and run this and go back to working preview. So I'll go now and I'm going to type into the country control, type USA, and now when I open up this control, I'm only going to see the cities in the USA. Now I'm going to go here and type in France and then open it up, and you can see that now we are only seeing the cities in France. So the dynamic filter allows you to dynamically filter the choices in a drop-down box, and these choices get automatically updated when any of the controls that are in the dynamic filter get changed. Thank you very much for watching.